Welcome to geometry.
Thank you so much. So here's what we're doing. The last thing we're doing, you're going to have your notes up, but you're not going to write anything for a minute. And I'm going to tell you the title of this. But Ryan, I do need you to kind of lock in on this one because this stuff is new. It is finally something that's really new, kind of like trig was. And what we're doing today is called area of regular polygons. So sometimes in math, we make things harder than they need to be. A lot of times in math we do that because we don't use words that make sense, right? So we are going to use the word regular, and it's going to do a lot of heavy lifting, right? But regular just sounds like a typical polygon. It's just regular. But I need you to know in math, regular has a really special meaning. And I want you to think of it more like beautiful. And if you're like, what are you talking about? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Did I spell it right? Beautiful. I want you to think of it as like a beautiful polygon. So I want you to guys look. I have to get through on the taping. Thank you so much. Here's what. I got 2 hexagons. Here's how I know they're hexagons. Anthony's going to watch me go. There we go. They got 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are both hexagons. They're total hexagons. But do you know that studies show we like this one better than this one? Because our brains like things that are symmetrical, that they fit together. Like you could make like a soccer ball with these hexagons, right? That's what a soccer ball is made up of, is little hexagons. This one is uncomfortable to us. And the reason it's uncomfortable to us is because our brain doesn't think of it as beautiful. We are going to be finding the area of beautiful polygons. Some of them will have 6 sides, hexagons. Some of them will have 8 sides, octagon. Some of them will have 10 sides, decagon. Some of them will have 4. And you know what his special name is? Square, right? Because a regular polygon is very beautiful and special because he has, write this down, equal sides and equal angles. That's why we love him, because everything's perfect, right? He's not weird looking. He's not squished. He's not like a parallelogram where he's all like we're knocking him over. He's not like a weird trapezoid. He's beautiful. He's like a square. He's like a perfect little equilateral triangle. He's so fulfilling. You could make art with him, which we do toward the end of the year. He's like, a stop sign, right? A perfect stop sign. All of these, that looks terrible, but you know what I'm saying. All of these are regular polygons, and we're going to find the area with them, and there's one formula, only one. But we've got some new words to learn today, and that's it. So today, light work. Tomorrow, you almost went. Tomorrow, weirder work. Are you ready? So here we go. We're going to draw on our beautiful hexagon. This is a hexagon. He is regular. He is beautiful. This is a decagon. He's got 10 sides. Also regular. Also beautiful. Are we ready? So the first thing that we're going to talk about is this little S. And S means the length of the sides. And here's what's cool about that. They're all the same once you know one of them. So if I told you that this guy is 10 inches long, I knew all of them because he's 10 and he's 10 and he's 10 and he's 10. And you know why? Because he's regular. If this guy over here is 3, he's 3 and he's 3 and he's 3 and he's 3 and he's 3, he's 3, he's 3, he's 3, he's 3. Because they're regular. We love that. That's what S stands for. Side length. Next number is n. And you know what n stands for? Is the number of sides. So on that dude, the n would be 6. You just count them. And on this dude, the n would be 10. Now you're thinking, Miss T, why are you making a deal out of this? Because it gets a little weird in a minute. Next thing we're going to talk about is this p. And you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. In math, there are different ways that teachers teach things. I like going with the easiest method, right? So some of you are going to have friends who are in geometry right now, and you're going to be like, oh, we're doing the regular area of a regular polygon. And they're going to give you a formula called 1/2 AP. And I'm going to tell you that's a perfect formula. But I have a slightly easier one. And I think you'll like it. So we're going to get rid of the P. It stands for perimeter. But you know what? My formula is easier. And you know what? I win. So there you go. Oh, but we've got some other weird things here. And now we're going to get ready because we need to have a highlighter in a minute. Are you ready? So the first thing that we're going to do, let me go ahead and erase all those 3s. You don't need them. I'm going to erase all those 10s. If you have a pencil, you want to erase them. Okay, this is the first new thing, and I'm going to do it in red. And the new thing is right here where the R is, and it's called a radius. And you're going to say, but wait, Miss T, that is not a circle. What on God's name are you talking about? A radius. And you are right. It's a little bit different, but it works kind of the same. It's going to go, so get your pencil out, put a dot in the middle, and the radius goes from the middle, the center, to a corner. And I want that to actually look good. So let's see if I can't make it look decent. That's okay. I'll try my best. Boom. Oh, that was good. So what we're going to write here is this, corner to center. And guess what? There are 6 of them. Could you draw them in for me, please? There's one. There's one. There's one. She starts looking beautiful. I love her. There's one. There's one. If you were going to do it with the decagon, actually, do it with the decagon. Put a dot in the middle. Draw those radiuses on there. Make her beautiful. So throw a dot on there. Draw your radii in. That's the word in English. It's not radiuses. It's radii. Like octopi. Rhinoceros. I think that's, I don't know. I think I made the rhinoceros. I don't think that's real. Cacti. Look at her. She's beautiful. Okay, Gemma, you're staying with me for me. Thank you. Okay, we got radius. But you're like, Miss T, you got a stupid A there. I do. But before we jump to him, we're going to hold back and we're going to talk about one last thing here. We'll do this guy tomorrow. Don't erase him. We'll do him tomorrow. We're going to talk about a thing called a central angle. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to write down the meaning of it, and then I'm going to show you, and you'll be like, oh, easy. And the central angle, watch this, is made of 2 radii. And you're like, what? That's not even English. That doesn't even make any sense. Let me show you where he is. He looks like this. He goes from the center and he goes out like this and he goes like that. And look at it. There are 6 of them. And on a decagon, there are 10 of them. There's one. There's one. And you know what's crazy? They're all the same size. They're all the same size. Okay, big finish, and then we're almost done, and your homework will take you 5 minutes. You're welcome. Okay, we need to have that A in there, and I'm going to tell you a word, and I don't know if I pronounce it right, because when I pronounce it the other way, it sounds like I'm saying the word opossum. You know those things that live in your backyard, and they're creepy, and they look like
Yeah.
They're like rats. You know what a opossum is? Did I ever tell you one time I had a cat door and my cat would go in and out and I was sitting on the couch and I heard the cat door open and close and I put my hand down. I sit on the couch and go, kitty, 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 like you do. And then I looked down. It wasn't my cat. It was a giant freaking opossum, like a possum came in my house. Oh my God, it was like a giant rat. I screamed, I ran out of the house. I made my friend who's a CHP come with a gun. Yeah, it left, maybe, but it was hanging out of my house. Okay, but that's neither here nor there. Here we go. That was just a little, you know what? That was just a little extra story. So here we go. A stands for, are you ready? I call it, shut up. I see you guys eye-dotting me. Apathum. Apathum. Some people say apothum, but I think it's apathum. And you're like, Miss T, where the hell does it live? Here's what I need. Highlighters out. I'm going to show you where he lives. Get ready. Center to the middle of a side. Highlight him right there. Center to the middle of a side. He is center to middle of side. Okay, so I want some beauty now. I want you to draw on the hexagon, gentlemen. 6 more apathums, and then I want you to highlight them so they're beautiful. Or 5 more. Put it on your hexagons. Put your apathums on there. So do 5 more. 5 more apathums. Beautiful. I want them to look beautiful. Apathum on there. You got them? You got enough of them? They're not the radius. Radius is different. The radius is longer. Okay, stop that. Beautiful, beautiful. We got a little apathums on there. You want to highlight it? Yep. Okay, they're beautiful. So here's what's going to happen tomorrow, Will.
Let's find out for the ruler one.
Ready? Okay. Do you notice what's happening here? We got little triangles. So today, I'm going to make these problems really easy. But tomorrow, we're going to be missing a piece. And you know how we're going to find that piece? That's right, Sokotoa. That's why we've been practicing it. Okay? So we're going to wrap up right here, and then we're going to do 4 problems, and I'm shutting up. Here comes our formula. Are you ready? Write in big, write in beautiful. I'm going to move your seat. You keep bugging me. Thank you so much. It is this formula. Ready? S times A times N. Cut into. Give you 2 seconds. And then let me do 1 problem, then you do that. Yeah. Your friends are learning something called 1/2 AP. And you know what P stands for perimeter. And you know what perimeter is? It's S and N. So guess what? Get rid of that. SAN over 2. So easy. You guys ready to try a few? We're going to do 4 problems and I am done for the day. Are we ready? Yay! Okay. So easy. First thing you're going to do, you're going to write down this SAN over 2. Write that on your paper right now. Give me 2 seconds. Then I want you to write SAN. How many sides are there? 1. Oh, careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just count them, right? That's our number of sides, right? Ooh, but you were right. How big is each side? Do you see that's 14? You good? You are almost there. What is our apathum? 16.9. Guess what, lambs? You've done the math. Put it in your little formula. S times A times N divided by 2. Calculate it out. That is all there is to this. Tomorrow I'm gonna take away one of those pieces. You'll use a little SOHCAHTOA to get it. Light work. Yes. No, good question. If it had been going over here, that would have been the radius. And here's what, the apothem is always gonna make a right angle. Ooh, that was a good point. Tyler reminded me that apothem's gotta have that little right angle mark. So let's do the math. Are you ready? Here I go. Nice light work. I'm gonna say 14 times 16.9 times 8 divided by 2. Did you guys get like 946? Yeah, am I good? 946? Fire. Could you do the next one by yourself? Luce, are you okay going next after Talon? Oh, okay. Sorry. Thought you needed to go to the bathroom. I thought you had to go potty. Okay, do the next one. Do the next one. S. How many? That's the number of sides, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A. 6.9. How long is it? 10. Stop. This is a bath. Yeah? We're okay with this. I don't mind. I like internet stuff. I like it. Number of sides, the set length of the sides is 10. My apothem is 6.9. The number of sides, I got 5. Is that right?
No, I got 172.
Well, I haven't done it yet.
Oh,
I know, I just 5 sides, right?
oh, yeah.
Okay, tell me if this is right. 6.9. Okay, so AJ, this is what I got. I got 172.5.
Yep.
We are fire. We are fiery deliciousness. Oh, look at me just writing random numbers down. 172.5. Hey, do we need a drawing? We don't. Okay, can you try this one? Oh my God, they actually already give it to you almost in the exact format. This is my N for a 7-gon. This is my A for the apothem. Oh, I think I spelled apothem wrong. And this is my S for side. Look, it cannot be easier. Tomorrow, what happens? I get rid of one of those numbers and you have to figure it out using SOHCAHTOA, but we're going to be able to walk right through it. And then this is that's the end of hard stuff for the year. That's it. 8 times 7 times 16.6. How did I do? 920, 930? 930? 930? Are we good? Can we stop there? Are we okay? Okay, I'm going to check off homework, but your homework is 8 problems just like this. You will do them in 6 minutes. They are that easy. Do I need you to at least write this stuff down like the little formula? I do. Don't do the first 5. Bottom 8. Read. Bottom 8. Goodbye, friends.